Well, hello my YouTube friends. I am back with another video, and this time we are looking at how I do a onboard or cab ride video. Many people enjoy seeing it. It gives you a different perspective to look at the layout. But to get a good quality video requires good equipment, some good planning, and sometimes a lot of patience. Here you can see the little SQ11 camera that I use, but it's got an external battery that I added since the original batteries do not last, as I do not use that camera frequently enough to keep the battery charged. And here you can see the Trans-Karoo passenger train pushing the camera, and here we are coming around that area again, and there you can see the other camera that I have been using to take pictures of the onboard camera. I am not able to put my cell phone on the layout because that gives me the best quality video, and at the moment you'll see there's a bit of bounciness that also sometimes happens. There was a derailment, so you'll see a hand trying to figure out how to get it back on the track quickly. And then we continue with the onboard. And another thing that is very important with the onboard is not to race, as the camera needs time to capture the images onto disk. So a very nice slow speed, and also lighting is very important. As you can see on the backdrop there, I am setting up the lighting so that the camera has a lot more light to work with. And you can see the quality of the image, and that's only 720, and it is 30 frames per second. There you can see my homemade lighting setup. I'm using two USB powered, I can almost say they were sold as bed lamps or night lamps, but they do have diffusers over them on the like a little glass over the LEDs. And there you can see it does make a difference when the scene is well lit. And this is now taken with that little square camera. And then we move to the opposite side and we put it down on top. And sorry for the moth on the backdrop, I didn't notice it until I was watching the video. But that's one of the problems of having a layout in the garage. You get all sorts of animals coming to visit. And there you can see the camera coming up the hill, and the lighting has been put in place, and we'll switch to a view that will show the onboard view. As you can see here, unfortunately another frequent problem is the glare on the backdrop. Not much that you can do about that except try and angle the light away or get better diffusers. And the moth is still on the backdrop coming in, and there you can see the other camera again that is used to capture the images of the onboard camera. And here we proceed down the platform in Vlakteplaas, and you can see a helper locomotive waiting, and then we wait for the signal, and once the signal is green we will depart, and off we go, viewing from the cab and around the curve. And again we are greeted by a red signal and we have to wait. Okay, it's turned green so we can go, and then we enter into the main line in Bloemfontein. Again you can see the difference the lighting makes, traveling very slowly. And now there's a train blocking the light, and the ceiling is too low to get in for some proper lighting. But once we get past this train, you'll see the image quality improves because the lighting is better. And here is almost the best image quality, although the train is moving a little fast. And there's also a very good image. And we continue on, viewing the up and down bridges and the backdrop. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.